Hey friends, this is Atif Hope your Val and welcome to the update on XLM. On the daily time frame chart, recently XLM broke out this down channel, and after the breakout, you can see that it was rejected, several times rejected by this resistance zone from 45 to 51 cents. By the way, this resistance zone was previously breaking a support zone, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. And we also found this up trend line resistance as well. You can see that we got stable ejections, and now recently the price and has broken down the exponential moving average 21 support that was previously breaking at the resistance here. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. And now, after the breakdown, you can see that it is again flipped into a resistance. And we have also lost this very significant support of Mogu cloud as well. Now the cloud is turned into bearish cloud, and the bearish cloud works as a very, very strong resistance as compared to the bullish cloud. Previously, when we broke out this cloud, at that time it was bullish in green color. Now you can see that the color is changed from the green to red. Therefore, it can now work at a very, very strong resistance. And after this rejection, you can see that we also tested this very, very strong and long-term support zone. That is a quite high demand zone as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this area has been working as a very strong resistance here, support zone here, and support zone here. And this time, after testing the support zone, by the way, this area starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that again, we had a just spike inside this support zone and the price and geared up. And this support is also very significant that recently we found at 31.2 cents. That is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel. And you can see that the price and did not break down this support level as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout that is happening on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for cow, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 19th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very powerful pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of XLM. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this channel since after 24th of November up till 1st of January 2024. And after the breakout, the price and could not break out this uptrend line resistance. You can see that we got stable ejections and also could not break out this resistance zone from 45 to 51 cents. That was previously working as support zone. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. Since after 9th of December 2024, it is working at a very, very strong resistance. But now recently we have broken down two more very significant support levels. One was the EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart. You can see that for the past several days it had been breaking as support here. Before that, it was working as a resistance here. And now again after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance, and we have also broken down the support of Mogu Cloud as well that can now again work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of XLM. Right now, we are moving at this short-term support of 31.2 cents. That is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel, and now it is working as a very nice support. And we have also tested this long-term support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. A quite long-term support that we have here. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then you can see that previously it has been working as a resistance on here, resistance here, support here, and support down here as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a very, very nice support for the price line of XLM. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, that move is still due. That technical target can be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 63 cents. Therefore, now we need to keep an eye on this support zone and this resistance zone. I'm expecting that as soon as the price and breaks out this resistance zone from 45 to 51 cents, then we may soon hit the target for the breakout from this channel. And now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is also still due. You can see that despite this very, very massive rally, so far the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 80 cents to $1. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.